Hi guys, I'm Varun and today I want to talk to you guys about a staple that is present in all of our homes and we eat it on a daily basis. I want to talk to you guys about rice. The thing we love about rice is the long, nice, fragrant individual grains that are not overcooked, that still have a little bit of bite to them but are cooked through. And to achieve that at home by boiling them is a big task. So for that, I use my Meyer cooking casserole, which comes with a steaming basket. All you have to do is take your soaked rice, keep it on the steaming basket, add a bit of water at the bottom and just pressure steam it for about 10 to 12 minutes. That will give you perfect individual long grain rice without breaking them, which are absolutely cooked through and a delight to eat.